Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bead Landing Crystal Radiance. First, let's gather our materials. You will need your beautiful crystal radiance beads, a suitable beading wire, and essential tools such as round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and wire cutters. Don't forget crimp beads and a clasp. Having a clear design plan in mind will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's prepare your design. Begin by measuring and cutting your beading wire to the appropriate length for your project, perhaps 20 inches for a necklace. To prevent beads from sliding off, you might want to add a temporary stopper bead to one end. Then, lay out your crystal radiance beads in the exact order and pattern you envision for your stunning jewelry piece. This step helps visualize your creation. With your design ready, it's time to string your beads. Carefully thread each crystal radiance bead onto your beading wire, following your pre-planned pattern. For added security and structure, use crimp beads at intervals, perhaps every 5 or 6 beads, and gently crimp them with your crimping tool. Make sure the beads are snug against each other but still have a little movement, preventing any undue tension on the wire. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your beautiful creation. Attach your chosen clasp or closure mechanism securely to both ends of your beaded wire using crimp beads and crimp covers if desired. Trim any excess wire very neatly, leaving about 1/8 of an inch to ensure a professional and polished look. Give your completed piece a thorough inspection to confirm everything is secure and aesthetically pleasing. Enjoy your new jewelry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.